Good day everyone.
I am Razamedi Albino.
I am Christian Ramones and we are from the SIT BPO 2A.
So for today's video, we are here to present the system that we have developed about the Student Information System. Student Information System. Using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, jQuery, PHP, MySQL para sa database.
CSS ay gamit para sa magde-design kay HTML. Kukunin din ni JavaScript yung data na i-input sa HTML. At si JavaScript ay magsisend at magre-receive ng data galing kay PHP. At si PHP ay siya ay magsisend at magre-receive ng data papunta kay JavaScript.
Hi, I'm Marceline Visitacion from the SIT BPO 2A. So our system is about Student Information System. So a Student Information System is a system that allows educational institutions to manage student data including personal information and administrative information. The system provides a centralized platform for administrators, teachers, and students to access and update relevant information. First, you need to register and fill up the requested information. Type your first name, middle name, last name, age, birth date, gender, contact number, address, your student ID number, LRN, your level, section, and then click submit. So and then the admin will log into his account using his username and password and then click login. So and then the student that registered in the previous form will be seen in the pending list and the admin will click the check or X. So when you click the check, the name of a student will be in the student list.